All right, let's pop the top. Oh! Pretty sweet looking bike, guys. Let's get it out of the crate. Look at that Acropovich. Let's get it out of the crate, maybe outside in the sunlight, and do a real walk around on it. Alright guys, here it is, the 2021 Sherco SEF300 factory. These Shercos, man, these are just one of my favorite bikes as far as looks. They incorporate a beautiful blue, that highlighter yellow is nice. I don't know, they just look good. Not the Acropovich stock. I dig it. And I've test rode these 300s several times, and I'll tell you, even for a guy my size at, you know, 6 foot, 220 pounds, this 300 4-stroke in the aggressive map is pretty perfect for the trails. It's a little more manageable than the 350 KTM, I think, at least in stock form. A lighter guy might like the milder map better on this, but got the neck and triple clamps. Just looks good. So yeah guys, this bike is not spoken for, so if you're looking for an SEF300 factory edition, call us, Appalachian Off-Road MC, Charleston, West Virginia, and come pick this thing up. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.